Master of Coin. There's a train that sucks. It's so fucking hot. Now, the minute I start talking, it's gonna go again. We find out that the queen is pregnant. See?
Have you considered going into fortune telling?
I wouldn't be good at that either. Nothing to do with successful. I've been cursed. I have ambition, but my ambition does not equal success, as we saw in the episode.
Yes.
I have ambition.
At best, it provides the motivation.
Yeah, and a wee bit of talent, but not enough to be successful. You couldn't come during the fucking episode? It is so hot.
Oh, is there another episode after this?
It's actually on tonight.
So in that case, in that sense, we're caught up already.
Yeah, kind of.
Which I suppose is good, because then I'd be very tempted to see episode 2.
Yeah.
If we could somehow see it and finish it before 7.
Yeah. No, but it's on Sunday nights, so I'll have to wait until Friday. I have to avoid spoilers for almost a week. That's not gonna be fun. Which makes sense. It was on Sunday before. Game of Thrones was always on Sunday, so it makes sense that it would pick up tradition. Are you done? Notes. Talking. Okay, I think.
Take a chance.
Take a chance. All right, so